So you're going to demonstrate how to make paper?
Yes.
Okay.
So you take one of these.
Is that some pulp?
Yes.
Okay.
And
That's called a decal, right?
yes.
Yeah.
And then you
Okay.
take one of these.
Yeah.
Flattening the paper.
Yeah.
So. Into the decal.
Press it into the decal, yeah. I'm repeating what you're saying because it's really loud in here.
I'm gonna push it in.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
You can make different shapes of
Yeah, different shapes. All right, so then what do you do?
Want to keep
that.
making
And after that, you put another one.
Try it. Mama's gonna
Okay.
sit on this bench over here in nursery.
Pick it up.
Do you know right where I am? Can you come
You
here?
can
Just
over
look at
and
the
take
red bench.
here.
Oh,
Come right
wow.
down. Okay.
You put this in,
Just look. I want you to know where I'm gonna be. See the red bench?
and you put this
Okay.
up.
So you can stay here and then come to mom when you're done.
Push this, the whole thing in here.
Right. And then what does this do?
It flattens out the paper. You need to put,
Forces the water out of the paper?
yes, so that
That's
it's flat.
awesome.
And there's a drying rack over there,
Oh, that's good.
where I started out with you guys.
Wow. That's so cool.
And then when you think you're finished, you pull this up again.
Uh-huh.
You can pull it out,
Yeah.
see what you've made.
Let's take a look and see what it is.
Ah,
Kind of sticky.
yeah, it is.
Wet. Wetness makes it have sort of suction.
This.
Oh, look at your paper. That's going to be so nice when it's dry.
Yes.
Very cool. Are you going to put a secret message on it or something?
Maybe.
That's very awesome. What a good lesson for Sci-Fry, Science Friday.
Mhm.
Yay!